Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like. When you subscribe, you'll be able to get notifications each time we post. Okay? We love you guys.
It's not. It's not sectional. It's not religious. It is Nigerian and Nigeria. When I go out and people say, "We thank you," I say, "What are you thanking me for?" And I tell them, "Please stop thanking me. Why should you be thanking me?" I believe in equity. I believe in justice. I believe in one Nigeria. I have shed my blood for this country. I have gone to prison for this country. So what are you going to frighten me or threaten me with? The only thing that my senior brother hasn't done, that he hasn't shed his blood. He has gone to prison. We will leave that at that. No. The blood we are shed for one from the world. You go one from. I will show you where it's shrapnel. Nearly told mine. Now, but please, the problem we have is not a thing. It's national. And for me, the first thing that is important in a leader is character. The problem we have had over the years is that we don't have leaders who have the right type of character that they should be entrusted with the leadership role. So if I put my finger on anything or anybody, it's because comparing one with another, I see that there is merit that would be of benefit to Nigeria. And I believe that if I have